Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up polls on X.com. This is actually quite straightforward. I'm going to show you both on the desktop and on the mobile device. As I get into this and you find it useful and informative, smash a like button, subscribe for more, and let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the desktop version then. So as you can see, we're just on X, right? And this is our main feed. We have the ability to create a post just at the top here. You'll notice that there's these icons just down at the bottom. And what we want to do is we want to come over to the poll icon, this one right here. Give that a click and it allows us now to create a poll just like this. So we can ask a question. What do you think? And then we can just say bad. It's okay. We can add an additional option just by hitting the plus icon. Just say good, for example. And then of course we can put the length of time that we want this poll to go out for. And then of course, once we're happy with it, we can go ahead and hit the post icon. Honestly guys, it is as easy as that to set up polls within X. Okay then, so let's take a look at how to do this on the mobile device. So here we have the X application and we can start off by hitting this big blue plus button just down at the bottom right hand corner. We'll give that a click and this is where we can then start setting up our posts and polls. So at the bottom here, again, we have the poll icon. It's the last one there. We're just going to give that a click. We'll just ask a simple question. Is this any good? If we can type, that is. And we'll just say it's bad as option 1. It's okay as option 2. We'll hit the little plus icon to add another option, option 3, and we'll just say it's good. Like so. Then of course we get to choose the poll's length. Okay, so by default this is set out as a single day. So we'll go ahead and just bring this down so we can see this. So we can see here we have days up to 7 days, 23 hours, and I think actually we are limited to literally be in 7 days. So 6 days, 23 hours and 59 minutes. We can't exceed more than 7 days on any poll. If I do that, you can see it just resets everything there. So again, you can customize how many days, hours, and minutes that you want your polls to run. Once you're happy with it, you'd go ahead and hit the post button. And so guys, it's as easy as that to set up polls on X.com, whether you are on a laptop, desktop, or a mobile device. If you found this useful, informative, and it worked for you, make sure to smash that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more videos, and I'll catch you all in the next one.